Given that m and n are positive integers, find the value of n plus n if this happens. Gross. All right, so let's move stuff around. I mean, let's do a little bit of function manipulation and see what happens, what we get. So I'm going to write this out as 12. Okay. I'm going to move x to the negative n to the bottom and make it x to the positive n. Whenever you have things being multiplied to an exponent, you multiply exponents. In this case, you would distribute that. So that parentheses down there becomes m to the negative 2 x to the positive 6. I can move u upstairs. So 12 over x to the nth. I can move u upstairs and make u m squared. And what was that? X to the 6th? X to the 6th stays on the bottom. So what I have is 12 m squared over x to the n plus 2. No, I'm sorry, n plus 6. N plus 6. I'm looking at that guy. That's supposed to match up with 108 over x to the 9th. 12 times what is 108? 12 times 3 squared is 108. 12 times 9 is 108. That would make m 3. Because 12 times 3 squared is 12 times 9, which is 108. Great. If I were to replace n with 3, I would get 3 plus 6, which is 9. So what a strange problem this is indeed. But that's not what I want. I'm still not done. I almost circled B and was like, oh, hooray. I'm supposed to find m plus n. M plus n is 3 plus 3, which is 6. Very tricky problem, very difficult. But, you know, we did it, and it was so much fun.